Meet Herphaestus, the Greek god of fire and forge. Known as the divine blacksmith, Herphaestus crafted incredible weapons and armor for the gods. Herphaestus created Zeus's mighty thunderbolts, Athena's shield, and even the armor of Achilles. His creations were not only powerful but also works of art. He was also an innovator, creating automatons, self-moving mechanical servants, to assist him in his work. These were some of the earliest mentions of robots in mythology. Herphaestus had a tough start. He was thrown from Mount Olympus by his mother, Hera, due to his deformity. Despite this, he rose to become one of the most respected gods today. Herphaestus symbolizes the spirit of creativity and craftsmanship. His legacy lives on in every blacksmith and artisan who shapes metal with fire. Want more fascinating mythology?